Let's take a look at how to add, remove, and reset page breaks. The first thing to do is to move out to Page Break Preview. You can find this by going out to your View tab and choosing Page Break Preview up in the top left corner. Or if you go down to your status bar, you have three View buttons, and it's the one at the end here. And if you click on it, it will take you to Page Break Preview. Click OK to any warnings that you get. One thing to keep in mind is that when inserting and removing page breaks, Excel will automatically adjust the scaling of each page on the document. For instance, if I come out here and click on Page Layout tab and then choose the Page Setup button here, I can see that I'm currently scaling to 100%. If I come out here and add a page break, that can change. Let's show you how to add a page break. I'm just going to click in the middle of my document someplace, and I'm going to go ahead and choose to insert a page break. Now the new page break will go above the row I'm on and to the right of the column that I'm currently sitting on. So if I choose this cell, the new page break will go along the top of the cell and along the right side of the cell. Okay, from here I will go to my Page Layout tab, and from the Breaks button I will choose Insert Page Break. And we see the new page breaks correction, the page break, vertical page break goes along the left side of the cell, and the top page break goes along the top of the cell, the horizontal page break that is. All right, now from here I could go ahead and I can just grab these page breaks, put my pointer on them, and slide them around wherever I'd like. Now keep in mind, if you go back and check out under Page Setup and you look at your scaling, you need to keep an eye on that to see if it's going to make an adjustment. Let's continue on with this. I'm just going to scale this all the way down, put my page break all the way down at the bottom here, and let's see what that's done to my scaling. It's cut me down to 75% here, and if I click OK, I can move back to Page Break Preview. Now at any time you can reset your page breaks when you're experimenting with this by coming up under the Page Layout tab and choosing Breaks, Reset All Breaks, and it resets the breaks. Let's go back and check and see if this has changed the scaling. I'll click on my page setup again, and we can see we're back to 100% here when we reset. But you need to keep that in mind whenever you are adjusting your page breaks here. Try this again. I'll click out here in the middle of my page. I will choose to insert a page break. I will grab this guy, pull it down like I did before, check my scaling. I'm at 83%. And now if I grab this and pull this back up towards the top, say up here to row 6, and I check my page scaling, I'm still at 83% here. If I drag this thing all the way up into the very top, it disappears. That is, I've removed the page break. And let's see what's happened here. We're still at 83%. So you'd have to go back and reset your page breaks to make that go back to 100. Or you could just go into Page Setup and set the scaling here if you'd like. All right, so if I have a page break here, I'll insert a page break. And I'd like to come back and just remove the horizontal page break. I can click anywhere underneath it, and I can choose Remove Page Break. Also, if I have a vertical page break, I can click the cell next to it if I'd like and choose under Breaks, Remove Page Break, and that will take it out.